Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today we're going to look at a hair grooming kit made by Glaker, and this is mainly for guys, but it has some really cool stuff in here. So we're going to open it up together. I have not actually done anything with this yet, so we're going to kind of discover it together. It's going to come in a nice case like this. It's very heavy duty. You can carry this around. And by the way, this is really made for professional barbers. So you can use this at home and have the same kit that a professional will have. And if you're a professional, this is a good kit to have. Let's take a look at what you get inside. So we're going to unzip it and see what we actually have. Flips open. It's a very nice kit, I can tell you right now. And by the way, it does have a lot of weight to it. It's not a cheap made system. It's actually very well made. It's going to have all the manuals in here. It's got cords. I'll tell you what, let's just pull it out. So there's our manual that'll walk through everything, and actually it's a couple of manuals, one for each trimmer because there's two trimmers here. Here is your warranties, and it looks like it says 1-year warranty on the cards. You can take a look at that. This is really cool because this is going to be the actual smock that you would wear if you were getting your hair cut. So if you have somebody and you're cutting their hair, whether they're in your family or whether you're a professional, you can actually spread this thing open and drape it over, just like so. Drape it over them and you tie the strings. So pretty cool. So it keeps all that hair and everything off. So there's that. See what else we have on this side. Here's your 2 charging cords. Now you got 2 charging cords, obviously, because you have 2 units. So we're going to set those over there. Now I have not charged these units yet, so hopefully they have a little power. And I would recommend before you start using them that you charge them fully. It makes your battery life last much longer in the future if you give that first go, the first time you're using a full charge. Comes with a nice grooming comb. And it comes with oil, a little brush to clean everything out, and it comes with some little small tips in here, some small grooming ones, which I would assume are going to be for the smaller unit. You get 15 different preset guides. I've got a whole bunch of, and they are numbered 1 through 15. And they go through this first row and part of the second row. Now, the interesting part, let's take a look. Here's your unit. Very heavy made, big nice handle to adjust here, so you can adjust even without the guards in. You can adjust what you get here as well. And then you start adding your guards simply by clipping them in. So let's see, they should just go this way and clip with the thumb, and they do. And then you can actually adjust your cut inside of there as well. So each one of your guards is also adjustable. So you can do the max in the guard, like this is a number 2, and you can actually go down, and they'll usually tell you a number to a number. Now we'll tell you, very nicely made. And by the way, this is the black version. We also have one in gold. I believe there's 3 different colors. So you'll look at those colors, find the one that actually you like the most. Here's your on and off button. Now this should, here's your charger right here, and it has a hanging hook if you want to hang this. So if you're actually a professional barber and say you have a spot that you want to hang these up by the mirrors and be able to pull them off real quick to work, they've got that. So the charger goes in here. Let's see, it's going to be this one, and then USB. So you'll have, if you've got a power strip that has the USB parts, that's really good. So it'll be quick on this, or you're going to need a little power block. So we've got that. We should be able to turn it on, and I can see the screen here, which should light up. There it is. And I think we are out of power. So there's the first thing you need to know. You need to make sure that you power these up. So we're going to power this up in just a second and see how it works. Let's go ahead and take a look at the other one. Now this one will probably be a little bit better for beard trimming. And I do like it. Very cool. The top is plastic. You can see the gear, and you can actually remove that little part to clean the head as you need it. And the etching and all on this for the beard is really awesome. Now I expected this to be plastic. It feels more like an aluminum. Very heavy duty. It's going to charge the same way at the bottom here. just like that, and plugged in. There is actually a way to turn these on, and I'll save you the headache. When you get it, you're going to think there's no power. They actually both came. This one was about 92% power. That one, the little beard one, is about 100 right now. And all you do, instead of just pushing it, you actually have to hold it. Now it comes on every time quickly. So the very first time that you power this up, you have to hold it for a second, and it is on. I am at 93. So it is going to tell me where I'm at while I'm working. So if you're in the middle of someone's haircut, you know if you need to be powering it up. So on the beard one, it basically works the same way. We're going to pull this guard off. So if you don't know how to pull the guard off and you're looking at this thing and it looks really weird, you have to kind of use your thumb and go up underneath this edge and pull it. It'll pop off. Now this one works basically the same. Hold it down and there you go. And one other thing, this little beard trimmer, by the way, can do all the little decorative trimming on the sides, which a lot of the young guys really like today. So you can do a lot of that special etching and trimming with this one. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I don't need a haircut. I've already got one. So I'm gonna trim a little hair on my arm and sacrifice some of the hair here so that you guys can see if this actually cuts or if it grabs. And believe me, I will scream if it grabs. So we're going to find out. So this is the beard one. Take it. Man, that cuts extremely good. I did not feel any pulling. Did very well. So very nice. I do like this one. It's awesome looking. So now we're going to take the guard off of this one. Now, usually if anything's going to grab you, it is usually this boy right here, because your skin will get up underneath those things and it'll cut you. So let's see what it does. Guardless. And it is cutting very well. Now, I don't have a whole lot of hair on my arms, but I have enough. Super smooth. So I probably need to do them all so they look right now, right? Well, anyway, that's how it works. So guys, these are really fantastic. If I was rating these on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd definitely give them a 5 because I think they're well worth it. Heavy made. They come with everything you could possibly need. Do yourself a favor, pick yourself up a set today, and we will see you guys on the next one.